This ACBEL switching regulator, output 12 volt, 4 ampere, not turning on, no output. Let's see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Let's fix this power supply. No output voltage. Input voltage, AC input, $227 volts. This is output area. Maybe the output capacitor is damaged. Check voltage on this capacitor. DC voltage. Here are 58 volt. That means this capacitor was charged but no output. Its input circuit is good. DC voltage, it's okay. Yes, this capacitor area. Output capacitor. Yes, output capacitor swelling. We have 341 volt. Here is VCC capacitor. Yes, there is fluctuation. No output. 6574 SMPS controller, 10 ohm, okay. 5.1 ohm resistor, okay. 100, okay. This pull down resistor for MOSFET, source and drain, MOSFET good, positive terminal, okay. This end connected to MOSFET. This is source pin of MOSFET and this is ground. This resistor. We have something wrong with this current sense resistor because it is low value resistor, current sense resistor. We have problem here. Positive voltage from here, jumper, transformer winding, and this is RCD snubber circuit. Transformer winding, positive voltage here, transformer winding, it is reaching to drain pin, and this is source pin. Source pin must reach to ground terminal of the main capacitor. So this resistor is problematic. Yes, this resistor is damaged. These 2 points. But now the question mark, the resistor value, because it is discolored. We will remove it and we will check, maybe there is some clue for resistor value. It is discolored. It is showing 2.4K. This is not a good value. We can take a reference from any same wattage power supply. It is 12 volt 4 ampere power supply. That means 48 watt output. Laptop charger 65 watt. So we can use this resistor that is used with this MOSFET. I will use this resistor. Because it is current sense resistor, it is brown, blue, silver gold, 0.16 ohm. This resistor is being used in 65 watt. It is 0.16. I will use 0.2 ohm. I think it will good. This is something amazing, that the MOSFET is safe. Otherwise, the first affected component, MOSFET. I don't know what is the condition of this IC. Because when output capacitor is short circuit, it will make a continuous load. In that condition, the power supply works at full rated load. Even the power supply is without load, but due to this capacitor, it will create a continuous load. "25 volt, 1000 microfarad, 105 degrees Celsius, 105 degrees Celsius. DC voltage, main capacitor. Yes, before this VCC capacitor was fluctuating. Now it is stable. Let's check output voltage. We have 12 volt output. Great. It is stable. Yes, I connected 5 ohm resistor in the output. 5 ohm resistor in the output. So it is drawing around 12 volt divided by 5.1, 2.35 ampere, and it is providing regulated output. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.